In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to withdraw money from Whop. We'll walk through the process from your business dashboard all the way to confirming your withdrawal, and I'll explain what you're seeing on screen so nothing feels confusing or rushed. First, make sure you're logged into your Whop business account in your browser. Once you're logged in, you should land on your business home dashboard. This is the main control center for your Whop account, where you can see your products, customers, and overall performance. Take a second to confirm you're on the business view and not just a personal profile page, since the withdrawal options live inside your business settings. Now, look towards the top right corner of the dashboard. You'll see your profile icon or avatar there. Go ahead and click on that profile area. When you click it, a drop-down menu will appear. This menu contains several options related to your account, such as settings and other personal or business tools. From this drop-down, find and click on the option labeled Balance. This is where Whop shows how much money is currently available for you to withdraw. After you click Balance, you'll be taken to a page dedicated to your account funds. On this screen, you should see your current available balance clearly displayed near the top. Make sure the number you see matches what you expect based on your recent sales or earnings. On this same balance page, look for a button that says Withdraw. It's usually near or just below your displayed balance amount. When you click on Withdraw, Whop will start the process of moving your funds from your Whop balance to your chosen payout method, like a bank account or payment provider. If this is your first time withdrawing money from Whop, the platform will prompt you to set up your withdrawal details before you can continue. This may include entering information such as your legal name, business details, address, and bank or payout information. Take your time here and make sure everything you enter is accurate and up to date, because this information is used for payments and compliance. After entering your details, you'll be asked to verify your information. This could involve confirming your email, uploading identification, or completing any additional checks that Whop requires. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully until the system confirms that your information is verified. Once everything is set up and verified, you'll be able to return to the balance page, click Withdraw, choose